Are you looking for a smartwatch that keeps up with your active lifestyle? Want to track your workouts, monitor your heart rate, and even get personalized insights on your fitness journey? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the Garmin Forerunner 570, from its features to its real-world performance. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Garmin Forerunner 570. Charging cable. Documentation pamphlets. Ready to upgrade your fitness game? Grab the Garmin Forerunner 570 from Amazon. Just hit the link in the description below. Smart features. The Garmin Forerunner 570 offers advanced performance features like strength training, move alerts, wheelchair mode, animated workouts, Garmin Coach, running dynamics, PacePro pacing strategies, workout benefit and recovery time, fitness age, workout creation, perceived exertion, intensity minutes, activity tracking, VO2 max, audio prompts for activities, interval creation. The Garmin Forerunner 570 blends seamlessly with health-focused features like morning report, HRV status, wrist-based heart rate, pulse ox sensor, breathing variations, smart wake alarm, mindful breathing, body fitness age, stress tracking, health snapshot feature, respiration tracking, hydration tracking, and women's health tracking. Garmin connectivity. Built with seamless connectivity, the Garmin Forerunner 570 effortlessly combines with multiple features like Garmin Messenger app, smart notifications, music, live track feature, Garmin Share, safety and tracking features, ABC sensors, Connect IQ Store, and Garmin Pay contactless payments. Specifications. Charge your watch. To charge your Forerunner 570, connect the included USB charging cable to the port on the back of the watch. Plug the other end into a USB power source like a wall adapter or computer. It takes about 1 to 1.5 hours to fully charge from 0% to 100%. Set up with app. Download the Garmin Connect app from the App Gallery, Google Play Store or App Store, and install it. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. Turn on your Forerunner 570 by pressing and holding the side button. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. When the watch powers on for the first time, it will automatically enter pairing mode. Select your preferred language, then tap the checkmark on the screen to start pairing. Scan the QR code displayed on your Garmin Forerunner 570 using your phone's camera. It will automatically open the Garmin Connect app or prompt you to download it if it's not installed. Follow the on-screen instructions within the app to complete setup and pairing. Make sure Bluetooth stays on throughout the process for a smooth connection. Once you've successfully paired your device, it will automatically sync with your watch. This allows you to access all features, including activity tracking, health stats, notifications, and more. Any changes made in the app will reflect on your watch instantly, keeping everything up to date. Basic operations. Wrap the watch firmly around your lower arm just above your wrist, as shown below. Do not fasten the watch too tightly. Supports full-screen touch operations. Garmin Forerunner 570 has 5 physical buttons. Button operations. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Garmin Forerunner 570. See you in the next one.